So today I got my order that I ordered from Daraz 20 days ago. It's a robot cleaner. So I'll be doing a review of this. I love how they pack. They pack so beautifully.
Body vacuum cleaner, dusting, mopping functions. Now can be used normally. This, that's the charging.
Excuse my cat. So these are the instructions. And this is a towel, I guess. And this is a charging cable with a screwdriver, I think. Excuse my cat. He's just sitting here. Beyond. So I'll open it up. It looks beautiful. So this is a charging, and this is on off. And I don't know what is it. And this is how it looks from bottom. Tires, sweeping brush, and more tires. And this is, I believe, suction area. And this is okay. No. Let's read manual. So this is on and off. This is a mopping function. This is that. Okay. So this is for mopping. Now this is the front. You open it up like this, and this is where all the dust will be. Pretty good. And pretty easy. I like it so far, but we didn't turn it on yet, so yeah. All right, let's try it. Nope. I don't know what is this for. I don't know. What is this for? Oh, I turned it on by mistake. Okay. Let's go, I guess. Remove. Okay. So this is on and off. So far, it looks fantastic. Well, like if some obstacle comes, it will go the different direction. And it have a very light sound. Very light. So this is where the carpet is, and it's a little bit stuck. Well then. Sorry about my cat. They think that it's funny. So I run it for like maybe 5 minutes. So far I don't mind. Look at all the dust it collected. I have 7 cats, so I bought it for the cleaning, since I do a lot of cleaning and I wanted something to do the cleaning too, because it's tiring. So let's see how much it collected. Pretty good, actually. As you can see, a little bit of litter and a lot of dust. My cat's hair. Charging time is 300 USB charging time, and working hours are 70 minutes. So it's pretty good for big room. 70 minutes is enough, and 5-watt charging and 580 gram. Yeah, this is a very light weight machine. I'll keep using it and we'll see how long does it last, since they didn't send the battery. This product has a long battery life, 70 minutes. Yes, with continuous operation. But I don't know if I can change the battery inside it, replace it with new one, and how long will it go. But before it runs out, this is a very good thing that I bought. And I have cats, a lot of cats, so yeah. So this will be my review of this vacuum cleaner. Well, they said that if you want to do the mopping, then all you have to do is wet this fabric and stick to that and mop. That's how it mops. But let's try. So I've got this wet towel. This is their wet towel, so I'll be sticking it to this part. And gonna put it here, turn it on. So I ran the mop one, and it doesn't mop. It doesn't even have hair. Well, I didn't really want it for the mopping, but thanks to them, they put this option for people who doesn't want to mop. But this is a very, very thin, like it doesn't go on, like it doesn't stick to the floor, so that is why it isn't good. But if you are running it for like 70 minutes, then yeah, it will be touching, it will be taking all the hair, all the dust. So not as a mop, but as a sweeper, it's perfect. You just have to charge it. This is not self-charging one. So other than that, it's pretty lovely, and I'm happy that I purchased it. And hope you like my review, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And this is actually another toy for my cats, a walking toy, so that's why they are just around it and trying to play with it. But will you not do that? So hope you like the review and thank you for watching.